for the link, open your Twitter app and search for Procreate. As you can see, there is a tweet that we released a free limited edition brush pack called as Procreate Care Pack. Open that tweet. Unfortunately, that link was not working, so they posted another link in the comment section. Open that link. After opening, tap on download care pack. You're supposed to download it to your files app. Save to files. Now go to your files app and tap on that zip where you can see a folder namely sweet treats.brush set. Tap on it. It will directly import the brushes to your app, and I'm also switching those brushes. I just love those, and my favorite was chai. You can see it. This one and this one too, latte. Okay, this is my video on how to import or install the brushes. Hope you like it.